over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, Maran.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going so forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saqlain, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saqlain. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saqlain departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazi Gori got an hand but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat 10 minutes go back in time, and now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Aziguri, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial right throughout in the death overs in the tournament. He's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. But he has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the 2nd time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled, 7 to get for Pakistan.
Yeah, 3 balls to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have thought that he should have played that for a single. Maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over, that 6 balls. 6 already on the board. Bangladesh are done.
Danger man just faced 1 delivery. That was a downfall for Bangladesh. Abubur Rahman got a single from the first ball. He had to watch agonizing from the non-strikers, and both his partners been dismissed for some excellent deliveries by Ahmed Danial. Into the super over in the first semi-final. Team batting second at that time. Bangladesh A won pretty easily. Now Pakistan, when they come out to bat, they've got to make 7 runs with 2 wickets in hand. Same question for you, Maza. Who's your choice for the super over?
Ripon Mondal. Just to provide some hope to the Bangladeshi fans as well. He's bundled out India A without even scoring a run in the super over. So there's still a hope.
For Pakistan, Shaheen Salman. Have a look at it again. Seeing the straight one, and Ahmed Danial, what a player he is. He's inching towards, in my opinion, even for the man of the series, the way he has performed. Just on Pakistan, Shaheen, maybe a right-hand, left-hand combination?
Yes, I wouldn't mind that. Mahas Sadakat would be the choice. And maybe Saad Masood, the guy who scored 38 not out and looked good. because you need to find somebody with some confidence from his fresh knock, and that is the person.
Yeah, I'll probably go with Mas Sadakat and Saad Masood just on pure. Yeah, they've scored runs on the day.
Yeah, it's going to be a good test between bat and ball. David Hemp, with all his experience, mentioning the fact that to keep them calm. Ripon Mondal, I'm sure he must be the ball in his hand. Bangladesh can still dream.
Millions watching this coverage. Bangladesh, Ripon Mondal did the unthinkable against India. Dismissed Jitesh Sharma and Ashutosh Sharma in the super over. Millions were watching in Dhaka, Chattogram, Khulna, Borisal. All these places, Maza, they be glued to the TVs.
So the news is just Mas Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan Niazi, the skipper, has padded up as the third player.
Yeah, left and right hand combination, not a bad call. It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think this is a very good choice. Two players have scored runs on the day, left and right hand combination. Couldn't have asked better. And I'm with you, Maza, when you said Ripon Mondal, he should be the one. He's the match winner from semi-final, has the confidence. Bowled well today as well, 25 for 3 of his 4 overs. Definitely he should be the one.
Saad Masood will be up against someone like Ripon Mondal, who bowls those Yorkers to perfection. They need 7 to win. Ripon Mondal will be eyeing those block holes right from the word go.
Interestingly, Saad Masood is going to take strike. Right-hand batter, Mas Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over, chasing 7 runs and isn't facing.
Ripon Mondal, can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent, certainly find of the season for Bangladesh. Very good attitude, good action, good run up, and here's an opportunity for Ripon to make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh will be looking for.
Tailing back in to the right hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to with stroke, direct it would have had him. It is excellent cricket. That was excellent by Ripon Mondal, off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Full toss, fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, a good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Called back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require one now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Saad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins 3 times out of 7. Shines are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.
Great scenes there in the ground. The Pakistan players run out. They celebrate this win. Wonderful defense of a total which was far less than what was expected of them. 120 win. Wonderful defense of a total which was far less than what was expected of them. 125 defended in magnificent fashion. Match going to the super over. Bangladesh matching them ball to ball, wicket to wicket, and in the end the super over belongs to Pakistan. Great game, great advert for the Asia Cup.
This is by far the best final, the best tournament of the Asia Cup Rising Stars. We had everything, drama, super over, and then Shaheens go on to clinch their 3rd title of the competition.
It's the 2nd time reaching the final. Unfortunately, they have lost both the times, but lot to like about Bangladesh effort with the ball in the field. Captain Akbar Ali, lot to like about Bangladesh effort with the ball in the field. Captain Akbar Ali, some of the youngsters have risen to the occasion. Certainly Bangladesh cricket is in safe hands when it comes to their A side with plenty of good talent, Maza.
Yeah, they should keep their head high. The never give up mentality was something remarkable from the Bangladesh A side. But what about Shaheens, led by this man? They've done outstandingly well, unbeaten throughout the tournament. But Bangladesh, on the other hand, they should keep their head high.
It was all about the rising stars, and we've seen them. Rakibul, Habibur, wonderful additions to the Bangladesh cricket, along with Ripon. Mehrob did his part. Ripon was brilliant all the time under pressure, and from the Pakistan side, Ahmed Danial being brilliant, picking up 4 wickets today, 2 earlier and 2 in the super over. He was outstanding, along with the spinners. Sufyan Mukim bowling a great spell, picking up 3 wickets, drying up the runs, and well supported by Arafat Minas picking up a couple of wickets, and so did Saad Masood picking up 1 wicket. The spinners were in charge, and at the end it was all Ahmed Danial.
Just like Bangladesh, Pakistan shine too. Plenty of good talent going forward, and certainly these players in time to come or years to come will be the ones turning out for their country. The entire tournament was played in great spirits, and even the final was done and played with great spirits. Heartbreaker for Bangladesh. That man on screen, watch out for him. Mas Sadakat, just 20 plus years old, opens the batting, bowls good spin, very good in the field. That talent is very impressive, just like Saad Masood, Ahmed Danial, lot to like about.
Absolutely, very rightly put. Mas Sadakat has a great future ahead of him with the bat, with the ball, also in the field. He's a live wire, and he was dismissed first time in the tournament at the semi-final stage, and that is how good he had been, and well supported by all the other members. And congratulations to the country, and also well done to the sports staff. They held their nerve, kept their cool, kept the environment going, and the boys, well, they fought back. They did not think that they're out after getting out for 125, and that is the real mark of rising stars.
Right, let's go downstairs to Ahmed Farhad Fidai.
अहमद दानियाल, बहुत मुबारक हो। शाहीन हूँ मैं, फलक की बुलंदी चाहता हूँ। आप फलक की बुलंदियों पर चढ़ गए, 7 रन डिफेंड किए। फिर
जो ओवर था इसमें अल्लाह ने मुझे कामयाबी दी, बल्कि हमारी टीम को कामयाबी दी, इतनी अच्छी बॉलिंग करवाई है। डेफिनेटली उस सिचुएशन पे जो एक थोड़ा बहुत प्रेशर था मुझ पे, बट पहले 1-2 गेंदों के बाद यही समझाया था कि तुमने सेव करना ही करना, क्योंकि आप जो